In this video, I'm going to show you how to come up with a rule for a sequence. So if we look at this first purple sequence, the first thing I want to do is say what is happening between each number. And hopefully you can see I'm just adding 5 every time. So remember, we use the letter N when we come up with a rule. So the number in front of N is going to be what happens each time. So this is a positive 5. I'm adding 5. So what I do is make it 5n. Then I have to decide what goes here. How do I get from 5 to my first number? And hopefully you can just see that I have to add 3. All right, so it's actually not that hard. Let's do it again with the green one. What is happening between each number? I'm sure you can see all I'm doing is adding 2 each time. Whoops, that didn't work very well. Where's the undo button in this? They've taken away my undo button. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the number 2 in front of n because I'm just adding 2 each time. How do I get from 2 to 3? I just add 1. So that's my rule. So remember, this number is whatever's happening each time. And this number is how do I get from 2 to my starting number? Let's try it again with the orange one. All right, what's happening each time? Now, this one's a little bit different because it's going down. I am subtracting 4 each time. So hopefully that means you can see I should put -4 in front of n. Then how do I get from -4 to 11? Well, I'm below 0, so I have to go 4 to get to 0, then another 11. So I should be adding 15. Let me give you one more example. Let's pick a red one. What if I said we're going to start at 0? No, actually, let's start at a negative. All right, let's start at -2, and then we'll go actual +2, 6, and 10. All right, so what is happening between each number? I'm sure you can see that I am adding 4 each time. So that means, this isn't working very well. So the number in front of n is going to be 4. And then how do I get from 4 to -2? Well, obviously I'm going backwards. So 4 to 0 is 4 and another 2. So I'm subtracting 6. So that's how you come up with a rule to fit the sequence.